Good in class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 2.3. Okay, question number first is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Question first, 3x equals to 2x plus 18. Okay, so class, in these type of questions when you are given two variables, so what you have to do? There are two variables x and x, but variables are same. So what you have to do is just place all the variables on one side and constant on other side. So it will be 3x minus 2x equals to 18. So 3x minus 2x will be x equals to 18. This is our final answer. Question number second. 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. 5t minus 3 equals to 3t minus 5. Okay, so what we have to do is 5t minus 3t equals to minus 5 is already there, and this minus 3 will go there and becomes plus 3. Okay, so 5t minus 3t is 2t equals to minus 2, and t will be minus 2 upon 2. It will be 2 ones are 2. Answer is minus 1. This is question number second. Question number third is 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. 5x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x. 5 plus 3x. Okay. So what we have to do? Just place this 3x to left hand side. It will be 5x minus 3x equals to 5 minus 9. This 9 will go on the right hand side. So 5x minus 3x is 2x, and 5 minus 9 is minus 4. X will be minus 4 upon 2, and minus 4 upon 2 is minus 2. Okay. Next is question number 4. Question number 4 is 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. 4z plus 3 equals to 6 plus 2z. 6 plus 2z. Okay. So what we have to do? Just place this 2z on the left hand side. So 4z minus 2z equals to 6 minus 3. So 4z minus 2z will be 2z, and 6 minus 3 will be 3. So z equals to 3 by 2. This is your final answer. Okay. So next is 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus x. 2x minus 1 equals to 14 minus only x, 14 minus x. So 2x minus x will be plus x equals to 14, and minus 1 will be plus 1. 2x plus x is 3x. 14 plus 1 is 15. So x equals to 15 by 3, and 3 5s are 15. So x will be 5. Answer. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. 3x minus 1 plus 7. Okay, so first of all we have to solve the bracket. So we have to multiply this 3 to x, and then again this 3 to minus 1. So it will be 8x plus 4 equals to 3x, and 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 plus 7. Okay, so 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 3 and plus 7 will be plus 4. Done. So it will be 8x. This 3x will be on the left hand side. So it will be minus 3x equals to plus 4 minus 4. And plus 4 and minus 4 will be 0. So 8x minus 3x is 5x equals to 0. And x equals to 0 upon 5. So x equals to 0. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is x equals to Okay, question number 7 is x equals to 4 upon 5. X equals to 4 upon 5 bracket x plus 10. Okay, so there are two methods to solve. First of all, multiply this 4 upon 5 to x and then 4 upon 5 to 10. But it will be a little complicated. Okay, so what I am doing is multiply this 5 because it is divisible with all of them. So multiply this 5 to x. It will be 5x equals to 4 bracket x plus 10. So 5x equals to 4x plus 40. Place this 4x on the left hand side. So 5x minus 4x equals to 40. 5x minus 4x will be x equals to 40. This is the final answer. Okay. Next question number 8 is question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 equals to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Okay, this question is important. 2x upon 3 plus 1 equals to 7x upon 15, 7x upon 15 plus 3. Okay, so what you have to do is place the variables on one side. So it will be 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15. Okay, and it will be equals to 3, then 1 will be on the right hand side, it will become negative. So we have to find the LCM. LCM will be 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 5 2s are 10x minus 15 1s are 15. So it will be only 7x. 3 minus 1 is 2. So what is 10x minus 7x? 3x. It will be 3x upon 15 equals to 2. So we can divide 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So it will be x upon 5 equals to 2, or we can say that x equals to 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. So x equals to 10. This is the final answer. Okay. So what we have done is just place the variable on the same side. Whether you can place it on the left hand side or you can place it in the right hand side. Question number 9. Question number 9 is 2y plus 5 upon 3 equals to 26 upon 3. 2y plus 5 upon 3 equals to 26 minus y minus y. Okay. So class, what you have to do is just this minus will come on the left hand side. So 2y plus y equals to 26 minus 5 by 3. Okay. So it will be 2y plus y will be 3y equals to. So 3y equals to, we have to find the LCM. So it will be 26. Okay, wait, I haven't written 26 upon 3. It is 26 by 3 and it is also 26 by 3. So the LCM will be 3, it will be 26 minus 5. Okay, so 3y equals 26 minus 5 is 21, 21 by 3. 3y equals to 21 upon 3 will be 7, y equals to 7 upon 3. Okay, so class, in my book there any sign is not given. Okay, so I have taken minus 5. If there is a positive y is given, what will happen if there is a positive y? Okay, so I am doing it again, taking plus y there. So 2y plus 5 by 3 equals to 26 by 3 plus 5. Okay, so what you have to do, just place it on the left hand side. So it will be 2y minus y equals to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 2y minus y will be y equals to 26 minus 5 and upon 3. So y equals to 21 upon 3, y equals to 7. Okay, so what you have to do, if negative sign is given, then the answer will be y by 3, and if positive y is given, then answer will be positive 7. Okay, so what you can do is just check the answer from the answer sheet and then you can place the sign there. In my book, the sign is not given. Okay, so class, I am doing question number 10. Okay, question number 10 is 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m equals to 5m minus 8 by 5. Okay. So class, what we can do is just place it on the left hand side, but think of a value that if we place 5m there, it will be negative 5 and positive 3. Answer will be minus 2 and it is also negative. What we can do is place this 8 upon 5 on the left hand side and this 3 on the right hand side. Okay, what will happen? So it will be 5m minus 3m equals to this negative 8 upon 5 will become positive 8 upon 5. Okay, so 5m minus 3m will be 2m equals to 8 upon 5, or m equals to 8 upon 5 and this 2 will come in division, so it will be 2. So 2 4s are 8, m equals to 4 by 5. This is your final answer to the question number 10. Okay, so class, this was exercise number 2.3 and for 2.4 you can watch my next video. Thank you.